I got your plan open, taking a look at it. First thing I noticed was that in this camera set, there's a different display options for each camera type, and for plan view, 5 or 6 display options, dialogues. They all look alike, but they're not the same. This one controls the camera view set, and I think we turn on. There's a couple of ways to do it. You can turn on framing, but that's not going to solve everything. I'm going to turn on sill plates, rim joists, floor joists. Let's just do that. You see that fills in, but you got siding showing. Well, click on the wall, get the wall polyline, and adjust it. Left click, drag. You don't have to have a framing on, but I think it looks better if you show siding instead of framing. Here, click on the wall polyline. I don't know why the program does this. Talk to a software engineer at Chief Architect. I just know that I can adjust the wall polyline, so that's what I do. Yeah, you got some more junk back here. Click on that. Get that wall polyline just sticking up for some reason. I don't know why. I don't even care why. As long as I can fix something, that's all I'm interested in. Getting into the whys and wherefores of the software is just not something I'm interested in. I just want to get results quickly and move on. There we go. I think that's your major visual problem solved. Thanks for watching. I guess that's it.